Hi there, I'm illustrator named Casper. Today I want to show you a trick of how I go from a sketched pencil drawing to ending up with a really nice and crisp line drawing without using a light table.
What you do is simply take your sketch to a window. Attach your sketch to the window using tape. I prefer using magic tape from Scotch, as this is easy to remove afterwards and does not tear your drawing. Then you place the paper that you want your finished line drawing to be on top of your sketch. Look, I have now created the exact same effect of a light table, only I am drawing vertically. I can now easily see my pencil sketch and go over it with my fine liner. Nothing better in this world than tracing a sketch. There we go. You can choose to add some final details now that you have all your lines in position.
Thank you for tuning in, and till next time, have fun drawing.